The universe is home to objects so enormous that our brains struggle to comprehend them. Some are so large they could swallow entire solar systems, others contain trillions of stars, and the biggest structures stretch across billions of light years, making even galaxies look insignificant. Today, we're counting down the 10 largest known things in the universe, starting with the smallest of these cosmic giants and working our way up to the biggest structure humanity has ever discovered. Every entry on this list is larger than the last, and by the end, you'll be looking at something so vast that light itself needs billions of years just to cross it. Our journey begins with one of the largest known stars ever discovered, Stephenson 218. Located around 20,000 light-years from Earth, this red supergiant is estimated to be more than 2,000 times wider than our Sun. If Stephenson 218 replaced the Sun at the centre of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Saturn. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and much of Saturn's orbit would all be inside the star itself. To put that into perspective, light can travel around the Earth more than 7 times in 1 second, yet it would take hours to travel around Stephenson 218, and somehow this unimaginably huge star is only the first entry on our list. Next is TON 618, one of the largest known black holes. At the centre of a distant quasar, this monster contains tens of billions of times the mass of the Sun. Its event horizon, the point beyond which nothing can escape, is hundreds of times larger than the orbit of Pluto. If our entire solar system was placed inside TON 618, all of the planets would comfortably fit within its event horizon. The black hole is so massive that the material spiralling into it creates one of the brightest quasars ever observed, shining across billions of light years of space. Yet despite its staggering size, it is still tiny compared to the structures that come next. Moving beyond individual objects, we arrive at IC 1101, one of the largest known galaxies. Our Milky Way is around 100,000 light-years across. IC 1101 is estimated to span several million light-years. It contains trillions of stars, vastly outnumbering the hundreds of billions found in our own galaxy. If the Milky Way were placed beside it, our home galaxy would seem surprisingly modest. And while galaxies already represent some of the largest gravitationally bound structures in the universe, even they are merely building blocks for something much bigger. Discovered in 2022, Alcyoneus is the largest known giant radio galaxy. The galaxy itself isn't unusual, but the colossal jets emerging from its central black hole stretch an astonishing 16 million light-years from end to end. That's more than 150 times wider than the Milky Way galaxy. These enormous lobes consist of energetic particles traveling through intergalactic space, creating one of the largest single known structures associated with a galaxy. If placed where the Milky Way sits, Alcyoneus would dominate a huge region of the local universe, but even this cosmic giant exists within a much larger neighborhood. The local group is the collection of galaxies that includes the Milky Way. It contains more than 100 known galaxies spread across roughly 10 million light-years. The largest members are the Milky Way, Andromeda, and the Triangulum galaxy. Everything humanity has ever observed with the naked eye beyond our own galaxy belongs to this relatively small galactic community. And despite spanning millions of light-years, the local group is only a tiny district within a much larger cosmic structure. The local group is part of the Virgo supercluster. This immense concentration of galaxies stretches roughly 110 million light-years across. It contains thousands of galaxies grouped together through gravity. For much of the 20th century, astronomers thought structures on this scale represented some of the largest patterns in the universe. But improved observations revealed something surprising. The Virgo supercluster itself turned out to be part of an even larger structure. In 2014, astronomers mapped a gigantic region of space known as the Laniakea supercluster. Its name means immeasurable heaven. Containing around 100,000 galaxies, Laniakea spans approximately 520 million light-years. The Milky Way sits one of its outer regions, quietly orbiting within its vast cosmic landscape. If every galaxy were reduced to the size of a grain of sand, Laniakea would still cover an enormous area, and despite its incredible scale, larger structures continue to emerge when astronomers map the universe on its grandest scales. The Sloan Great Wall is one of the largest known cosmic filaments ever discovered. Rather than a single object, it is a gigantic arrangement of galaxy clusters and superclusters connected across space. It stretches roughly 1.4 billion light-years. To appreciate that distance, remember that dinosaurs disappeared only 66 million years ago. Light crossing the Sloan Great Wall would require more than 20 times that amount of time. Its discovery revealed that the universe contains structures on scales far greater than astronomers once expected. But even this is not the largest known arrangement of matter. The giant arc is one of the most surprising discoveries in modern cosmology. It appears as a massive curved arrangement of galaxies stretching roughly 3.3 billion light-years. The structure is so large that some astronomers have questioned whether it fits comfortably within our understanding of how matter should be distributed through the universe. If confirmed as a coherent structure, the giant arc represents one of the largest features ever observed. Its sheer existence reminds us that the universe still contains mysteries that challenge our best models, and yet something even larger has been found. The largest known structure in the observable universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. This colossal arrangement of galaxies and galaxy clusters spans around 10 billion light-years. For comparison, the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. This means a single structure occupies a significant fraction of the cosmos we can see. If you could somehow travel at the speed of light, crossing this structure would take around 10 billion years. That is more than twice the age of Earth. Its immense scale pushes the limits of what astronomers expected cosmic structures could become, and it currently stands as the largest known structure humanity has ever discovered. From a star large enough to engulf Saturn's orbit to a structure stretching across billions of light-years, the universe operates on scales that are almost impossible to imagine. Every step on this list has shown that whenever we think we've found something impossibly large, the cosmos has something even bigger waiting beyond it. And perhaps the most astonishing fact is that these are only the largest things we've discovered so far. Future telescopes and observations may reveal structures even greater than anything on this list, reminding us just how much of the universe remains unexplored. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed exploring the biggest known things in the universe. Let me know if there are any other insanely large things I may have missed down in the comments. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you have anything you would like to explore with me in a future video, I will do my best to make that happen. Stay tuned for the next video where we talk about the end of the universe, and as always, stay curious.